Alright, we are going to talk about the difference quotient. You should memorize this. The difference quotient is x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And that's called the difference quotient. The difference quotient, even though it's a lot of work for you right now, is a giant shortcut. Because after knowing what the function of x equals, you might want to know what the function of x plus 1 is, and the function of x plus 2, or the function of x plus 30,000. And we don't want to have to keep doing all the work over and over and over again. So we use the difference quotient as a shortcut. We do the work once, and then we can plug in different numbers to take the shortcut to get the answer without having to repeat all of the work. So on the next slide, we're going to get started on how that works. So the first thing I need to do the difference quotient is I need f of x plus h, and then I'm going to subtract f of x. I'm trying to find what changed. So with our problem, I have f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 7. So I need to find f of x plus h. Everywhere I see x here, I'm going to write
f of x plus h.
Oh, look at that. He's paying attention. Alright, so I get equals x plus h squared minus 4x plus h plus 7. We almost deleted the video, but we didn't this time. Success! Alright, and I simplify. We have already done this one, so we're going to go fast through it. I'm going to FOIL here. I end up getting x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. I end up, what do I do here?
Distribute.
I'm going to distribute here. Do I distribute 4?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. He made that mistake once already. Minus 4. Not really. He's smart. Minus 4x minus 4h, and then my plus 7 comes down. And this is all f of x plus h. Okay. So now I'm going to plug this sucker in and this sucker in to my difference quotient up here. And this is a whole lot of ugly algebra, but it's worth it. Kind of.
It's not that ugly.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that confidence. Alright, here we go. X squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 4x minus 4h plus 7. Whew, one breath. That was this. Now, if you look here, I've got minus. And what's the key thing I need to put now?
The whole thing of f of x.
Yep, f of x, the whole thing is getting subtracted. So I put it in parentheses. That's the biggest mistake people make, but you'll never make it, will you? Alright,
No.
And now I put in I'm going to write in red to keep it consistent, my f of x. X squared minus 4x plus 7. And that whole thing is divided by h. Cool. Let's simplify this a little bit. I'm going to try to slide this up. Please don't break. Oh, it broke. We know what we're doing though, right? We're good? It's all good? That's gone? We don't need that. We don't need this anymore. We're good? Don't panic. Alright, here we go. So let's distribute my negative all the way through. And I get negative x squared plus 4x minus 7. And then all of this just comes down. That was the first important step. And I'm dividing by h. Okay, now what am I going to do, William?
Put like terms together.
Put like terms together. Alright, what's the first thing you see?
The x squared.
X squared and?
Negative x squared.
Look at that. That went away. Cool. That's easy. What's the next thing you see?
The negative 4x and the 4x.
Look, those are opposites. They go away. Cool. And what's the next thing you see?
The positive 7 and the negative 7.
Positive 7, negative 7, and they go away. Just as a side note, we've already talked about this. This is important. A little cute connection. I'm going to write it in pink because it's a cute connection. I got rid of an x squared, a 4x, and a 7. Look at my original f of x. X squared, 4x, 4x, 7, 7. I got rid of the original things I had because I only care about what's changed. I only care about the difference, which is why we call it the difference quotient. Scroll up. Again, that didn't work out the way I wanted it to. It's this guy. It's right here. I'm going to delete you. Yeah. You're gone, buddy. Deleted. Now I can scroll it up. Haha! Alright, so what's left over? I've got 2xh, I've got h squared, and I've got minus 4h, and I'm dividing by h. Now what do I do?
You take away an h from everything.
So that loses an h, that loses an h, and this one, how many h's are there?
2.
So I'm going to get rid of the 2 and leave just 1, and all of this is gone. Scroll this sucker up one more time. What's left over?
2x plus h minus 4.
2x plus h minus 4. Let's go to the next slide and talk about what that means. So my difference quotient after doing all of that work was 2x plus h minus 4. Here's what that means. In our problem, f of x equaled x squared minus 4x plus 7. But then I gave us all of these like, hey, what if we wanted to know x plus 1? Or, hey, what if I wanted to know x plus 30,000? And we didn't want to do all the work again. Well, now we don't. I put in my original, and then I put in my difference. Plus 2x plus, it's not h, it's 1. Instead of x plus h, I got x plus 1. So plus 1 minus 4. Now this is the only thing I need to solve. And that's just a matter of combining like terms, which I'll do real quick for you. Up here I get x squared minus 2x, because I get minus 4x and 2x, minus 2x, and then I got plus 7 plus 1 is 8, minus 4 is 4. And that's the answer. That was way fast. And now I can do it with this one. Plus 30,000, so this is a big problem. But not really for us, because we found the difference quotient, so we can find our shortcut. We've made it much easier. I get x squared, I get minus 2x, and this time I get, ooh, that's a minus 4. Plus 7 minus 4 is plus 3, and then I got my 30,000, so it's 30,003. And that is the answer of f of x plus 30,000. Wasn't that way fast and easy?
That was easy.
It's way, well, not that one. Yeah, it was that one. That's way fast and easy, and that's why we find the difference quotient. It's a shortcut to finding the change. It takes a whole lot of algebra at first, but it saves us so much time later. That's it.